this 25-lap main event in the 20 car out of Olympia, sponsored by Loman's Automotive, Sinorama. It is Nick Hoppins. Chris Brandon and Hoppins come off the fourth side by side. Complete lap number one. Your leader is Chris Brandon. Dave Knittel comes into the night, the points leader in the Hinkle Holmes Hobby Stocks. Bit of separation in between himself and Metters, as Metters went all the way down to the rumble strips and was able to get the car back under control, as Dave Knittel is working to the outside of Charles Metters. So Knittel quickly moving up towards the front, and now he's got his eyes set on the leader Chris Brandon as they come across the line. 21 laps remain. Dave Knittel set a new track record earlier today in qualifying. The field single file with Dave Knittel leading the way. Seen times this year where Charles Metters has been as quick and able to run with Knittel. The problem has been that Metters' car, unlike Knittel's, starts to fall off performance-wise later in the races. But we'll see if Metters has perhaps figured that out as he gets better week in and week out. Will tonight be the night that Charles Metters will be able to chase down Dave Knittel? Kelly Foster working on Chris Brandon, trying to get up into the third spot. Side by side, Brandon on the outside, Foster on the inside, and Foster has Brandon and has moved up now into third. So Charles Metters just pacing right now with Knittel. Metters has slowed visibly. And I thought he might be heading in, but he is going to stay out. But Metters is definitely off the pace now. And you see Kelly Foster pulled within a car length of Charles Metters, but now it looks like Metters is back up to speed once again. But a couple laps ago there, Charles Metters slowed considerably. Metters once again picking up the pace as he's now starting to close in again on Dave Knittel. Not sure what went on with Charles Metters there just a few laps ago. And now trouble for the 71 of Chris Brandon. As Brandon heads off into the pits. Knittel trying to set the stage here tonight for the Hobby Stock Championship race next Saturday night. He's already got a pretty firm grip on that points lead and just trying to secure it even more so with a strong run here tonight with only 5 laps remaining in the Hinkle Holmes Hobby Stock main event. Continuing to stalk Dave Knittel. He is within a couple car lengths now of DK. White flag is out as Vetter is going to be able to get the job done here with Knittel as they tear off of turn number 2 down the backstretch, and now you see Knittel pull away. Off of turn number 4 and across the line, your winner, Dave Knittel, followed by Charles Metters, and then Kelly Foster and Nick Hoppins. Dave Knittel, ladies and gentlemen. All right, my favorite interview. My favorite interview is Dave Knittel. And he absolutely loves to talk. So we're going to find out what he has to say here tonight about that main event win. It kind of sets the stage for you. You pretty firm grip already up on top of the points. Next Saturday night, you got to come right back out, back-to-back weeks. A little bit unusual for you guys to do that, but I would say after tonight's performance, you got to be feeling pretty good going into next week.
Yeah, we got a pretty good point lead. I think we're down to where we just got to basically start, so that's kind of nice. It takes the pressure off of it. I kind of wish we had more cars. Towards the end of the season, we've kind of dropped off a lot of cars, so it's not making as fun as what it should be. But hopefully next year we'll have a bunch more cars and we'll keep going on it. I need to thank Dave from Dave's Automotive, though. We worked tirelessly on this car to try to see if we can get the track record back, and we got that tonight. So that was a big bonus.
That's about the biggest response I've gotten out of you after just one question, Dave. So I'm going to let you go with that. Let's hear it for Dave Knittel.